Hello, my dear students. I heartily welcome you all in this session, our subject mathematics, class 8 standard. Dear students, in this class, in square and square roots, we are going to study square roots. Observe in the following examples. See here, area of the square is 144 centimeter square. What could be the side of the square? We know that area of a square is a side square, a square. So 144 a square. A means it is a square. To find the length of side, it is necessary to find the number whose square is 144. Again, what is the length of a diagonal of a square? 8 centimeter. Is it so? From the Pythagoras theorem we can find. Think it is a right angle triangle. Pythagoras theorem is AC square is equal to AD square plus, otherwise AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. 8 square plus 8 square is equal to AC. That diagonal we have to find. 64 plus 64 is AC square. 128 is equal to AC square. So AC is equal to 64. Again, AC we need to think of a number whose square is 128. Like that. In a right angle triangle of the hypotenuse, this 5 centimeter and a side were respectively 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Can you find the third side? Easily we can find. Yes, let x be the centimeter length of a third side. 5 square is equal to 3 square plus x square. So 25 minus 9, 16 x square. So we have to find the number whose square is 16. So 4 square is 16. 4 4 is 16. That is square roots that we have to find. Here the square of 16, square root of 16 is 4 because 4 4 is 16. That's why in all the above cases we have to find a number whose square is known. So finding the number with a known square is known as finding the square root. How to find the square root? The inverse operation of addition is subtraction and the inverse operation of multiplication is division. Similarly, finding the square root is the inverse operation of squaring. So 1 square, 1. Therefore, square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 16 is 4. Square root of 25 is 5. Like that we have to find. So from the above you may say that the two integral square root of a perfect square number in the chapter, we shall take up only positive square roots of a natural number. Positive square root of a number is denoted by this symbol. Observe in this table. Square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 4 is 2. 9, 3. 16, 4. 25, 5. Like that we have to write. Square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 9 is 3. 25 is 5. Square root of 100 is 10. Square root of 81 is 9. Like that we have to write. There are some more methods to find the square root. In that first one, finding square root through repeated subtraction. See, we know that square root of 9 is 3. Is it? So, from repeated subtraction, let's find out. So, how? From which number we have to subtract? Do you remember that the sum of first n odd numbers, the sum of first natural, the n or n natural numbers is n square. Is it? That is, every square number can be expressed as a sum of successive odd natural numbers starting from 1. Is it? So let us find 3. 9, the square root of 9. So in first step, 9 minus 1, because 1 is the first odd natural number, 8. Next, 8 minus 3, 5. Next, 5 minus, next odd number, 1, 3, 5, 0. Up to 0 we have to subtract. So how many times we have subtracted? 1 to 3 times. So square root of 9 is 3. Like that we have to find. Let us take one more example. 81. Square root of 81 is 9. So 81 minus 1 is 80. 80 minus 3 is 77. 77 minus 5 is 72. 72 minus 7 is 65. 65 minus 9 is 56. 56 minus 11 is 45. 45 minus 13 is 32. 32 minus 15 is 17. 17 minus 17 is 0. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is the square root. So by repeated subtraction we have to find like this. Is it clear? See here, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 are the natural odd numbers, successive natural odd numbers. Next method, finding square root through prime factorizations. Consider the prime factorization like 6 is 2 into 3, 8 2 into 2 into 2, like that. So how many times does 2 occur in the prime factorization of 6? Once. How many times 2 occur in the prime factorization of, also in this table, 36, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into, like that. So twice, 2 times. Similarly, observe the occurrence of the 3 and 6, 36 in 2 and 8 in 64. So you can find the prime factorization in the prime factorization of the square of the numbers. Occurs twice the number. So how to find? Take one example. 324. 2 1s are 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2. 3 27s are 81. 3 9s are 27. 3 1s are 3. Is it here? 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3. So here take 1 1, 2 common. 2 into 2, 1 2. Here 3 1 3, here 1 3. 18. So it is square. 2 square, 3 square and 3 square. By this method also we can find the square root. Let's solve exercise 5.3. What could be the possible ones digit of the square root of each of the following numbers? I have solved one. See, we know that the unit digit of the square of a number having digit as units. So place 1 is the 1 and also 9 square is 81. 1 1 unit place. Whose unit place is 1? So unit digit of the square root of a number 9801 is equal to 1 or a 9. Like that you have to solve. Remaining. Without doing any calculation, find the number which are surely not perfect squares. It is very easy. We know that the natural numbers ending with 0, 2, 3, 7 and 8 are not perfect squares. So 153 ends with 3. It is not a perfect square. So remaining 257, 408. You write it. Find the square root of 100 and 169 by the method of repeated subtraction. Solution: 100. 100 minus 1, 99. 99 minus 3, 96. Repeated subtraction. 96 minus 5, 91. 91 minus 7, 84. 84 minus 9, 75. 75 minus 11, 64. 64 minus 13, 51. 51 minus 15, 36. 36 minus 17, 19. 19 minus 19, 0. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times we have subtracted. So square root of 100 is 10. By the subtraction method we have to find like this. You can find 169. Find the square root of the following numbers by the prime factorization method. Solution: by prime factorization, 3 from 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. It is divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 2 because the first prime factorization number is 2. Here there is odd number. So we are factorizing by the 3. 3 2s are 6, 1 remains, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Again by 3. 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. Here 2, 3 7s are 21. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Here 6 times 3 is there. 1 1 you take it commonly. 729 into 3 into 3 into 3 square. So it is 27 square. 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 3 is 27. So square root of 729 is 27. You have to find like this. Solve the remaining, which is homework for you. Thank you.